In business, trust sells. I'm building trust with you right now. You're reading, watching, or listening to me. We're not having a one-on-one conversation, but I'm still communicating with you, and that builds trust. The more people you talk to and the more clients you get, the more trust you build. Imagine a three-legged stool, and on the stool rests your home inspection business. The three legs that hold up your business represent three critical parts of marketing your business, and all three are needed. The three legs that are three critical parts of supporting your inspection business are awareness, nurturing, and trust. Awareness, that's what we think about as marketing. Nurturing is what happens when someone new becomes aware of your business. And trust, well, trust wins. Trust sells. People hire inspectors who they trust, and on some way, trust always matters. There's no exact recipe for becoming a trustworthy home inspection company, but people tend to trust companies that have a positive impact on their community, and that's a role home inspectors play for sure. And companies that provide valuable services and information that is accurate, reliable, and unbiased, and they trust companies that protect consumer data. A great way to build trust is to develop and share valuable information to people. For an inspection company to build trust using content, that could be about creating content that complements the company's inspection services. For example, you could write a blog, publish an email newsletter, or even a magazine, or write tips for home buyers filled with valuable content for people, including home buyers, real estate agents, and homeowners. Use InterNACHI's inspection library for inspiration, and it's located at nachi.org/articles. Post selfies of you on social media talking about how the home works, how to maintain it, and how to save home energy. Use InterNACHI's home maintenance book as a great starting point for this conversation content. That's at nachi.org/now. You could also use the information from inside of InterNACHI's free online Introduction to Home Inspections course to help you educate homeowners with valuable information about their home, how it works, how to fix problems that may arise after you perform an inspection. Here are a couple tips on blogging for home inspectors. A blog requires a long-term commitment. To earn people's trust, you have to write when no one is reading, and that may be months or even years. But write informative and educational content without sounding like you're just trying to sell an inspection. Write a post a week. Write about the entire house, including how every system and component works, how to maintain a home, and how to save home energy. Building trust using content creation for home inspection companies is all about educating homeowners, right? Home inspectors are essentially educating homeowners by talking to them about their homes. We tell them a story about their home, how their home works, how to maintain it, how to fix things. We're storytellers. Home inspectors are house storytellers. And the more stories you tell, the more you build yourself up as the local authority on homes and buildings, home inspections, healthy homes, and home maintenance. Another way for a home inspector to build trust is to attain more inspector certifications. Legitimate national certifications from the world's largest organization of inspectors, InterNACHI, can build trust. By displaying your InterNACHI certified inspector certification logos in your marketing and on your website, you are essentially borrowing trust from InterNACHI. InterNACHI has trained and certified you and your inspectors in your company. Borrow that trust by displaying your InterNACHI certification logos on your marketing and your inspector website. InterNACHI members can download their logos by simply visiting nachi.org/logos. Without trust, you are your own cheerleader, and no one really likes the person who toots their own horn all the time, right? Trust is the third leg of the three-legged stool. It's hard to measure, but it must exist. Trust is about converting a person who is interested. For example, 75% of all consumers will not purchase a product or service from a company they don't trust. Trust comes from your Google reviews, testimonials, customer reviews and feedback, word of mouth, and certifications. Start building trust as a home inspector.